Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I did this Valentine's makeup tutorial. I did a pink glitter eyeliner. It's really pretty. I really liked it because it was really simple to create. And I just did this nude lip by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just did a pink blush and a blending highlighter. So if you guys want to see how I recreate this look, please keep on watching and don't forget till the end to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows with camera, and I primed my eyelids with the Anastasia concealer in 2.0. For my eyebrows, I used the Kebab Benefit product in the color 5, in the shade 5. And now I'm just gonna set my eyelid. And I'm using this Morphe E46 to apply that. First I'm just gonna blend my concealer out with this Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna set it with my powder. You can use any powder, any concealer you want or have to set. Guys, my Kylie highlighter broke right now. I'll be back. So my highlighter just broke, and that's my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna have to repress it or something because I love the highlighter. I don't know why it broke. Precision color, I'm gonna use the color Forever Young from the I Want It All palette by Kylie, and it's just a pinky color. And I'm gonna use this blending brush by Wet n Wild. And I'm still mad that my highlighter by Kylie broke, and that's my favorite one. It's so good. Like, I love that highlighter. It's so good. So mad. And I'm not gonna buy another palette to get that highlighter, so I'm just gonna try to fix it. But if I can't fix it, then bye bye favorite highlighter. So that's my favorite. And then I'm gonna go in with the same palette, and I'm gonna use the color The New Black. It's just a pink color with the same brush. I'm gonna put right here in my eyelid. I'm gonna be using this color right here, and this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions little palette that looks like this. So to pack in that color, I'm gonna use this Kylie brush that came in a set, and I'm gonna wet my brush with the Mary Badescu facial spray with olive and cucumber, and this is the green one. Obviously it's the cucumber one. And I'm just gonna wet the brush and dip in that color, in that pinky color. It's like a foiled eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply the tape to make my thing really good because I don't want to mess up. I'm gonna be using is the NYC black eyeliner, and I believe they don't sell this no more, but you can use any eyeliner you have because we're still gonna be covering it with the pink glitter. I'm just gonna apply glue where I put the black eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply the NYX glitter in the shade 02. For my face, I'm going to use my MAC Pep and Prime in the yellow color. Foundations I'm going to be mixing is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the color in the shade 06, and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Buff Bisque. And I'm just going to dot it all over my face. Use a Chanel Soleil Tan. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna use this one. I believe this is the only color they have, and it's kind of light for me, but I'm still gonna use it. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. small stipple brush. For my translucent powder, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D translucent powder. With the same sponge, I'm going to apply the translucent powder. I'm going to use this Tarte brush and my Maybelline powder in the shade 30. And I'm just going to set the foundation and the bronzer. Now to contour my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia palette in light to medium and my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour brush. And I'm going to take this banana color under my eye. To contour, I'm going to use this Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm going to use this color and this color. To contour my nose, I'm going to use this Real Techniques angle highlighting brush. Blush I'm using is this Milani blush in Romantic Rose. The brush I'm gonna use is this Kala brush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I don't like a lot of blush. Highlighter, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques contour brush. I'm gonna be using the Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia palette, and I'm gonna be using this kitty cat color, and I'm just gonna mix all these colors in. It's broken and I don't want to ruin it, but as you can see, this one works good as well. It's a kitty cat color shade, I mean. And the highlighter I want to use as well is this Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Everlasting Glow, just because I never use it and I want to use it today. So I'm going to use this one. More intense. Now I'm just going to use the blush brush to mix that in. My liquid lipstick color, I'm going to be using the color Toast, and also the lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch just on top. I'm gonna apply these lashes off camera and I'll be right back. The water bottles are inside, I mean. Say hi, David. David. Say hi. Here, David. I know. David, do your makeup. David, do your makeup. Are you gonna be a makeup artist? Okay, don't break my makeup now. What do you want? David, you dropped it. done with my makeup, and I really like how this turned out. I like it. It's kind of dramatic because of the glitter eyeliner, but it's really simple to create. I really like this look, and I hope you guys try to recreate it as well with all the products you have. You don't have to use the products that I use. You can use whatever you have. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos of me doing makeup or other kind of videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. And guys, next time, bye.